In India, consumers generally face a lot of problems. They include non availability of goods, adulteration, hoarding, black marketing, deceptive and misleading selling techniques, and false warranties or guarantees, etc. A consumer is said to be a king. A consumer might be exposed to risk due to unsafe products, might suffer from bad health due to adulterated food products, might be cheated because of misleading advertisement or sale of spurious products, etc. Today we are going to show three different problems faced by the consumers and how they deal with it through a puppet show. Let's have a look on the characters. Nilima as shopkeeper, Sneha as Margaret, Sanchita as Sophia, Ayushi as Portia, and Bidisha in narration. Margaret enters Gada Electronics to buy a mixer grinder.
Can I have a look over some latest mixer grinder?
Oh nice, there are many to make a perfect choice. No problem madam, I can help you to make a choice.
Yes sir, please.
Here madam, this is the best one.
No sir, this isn't good enough.
Shopkeeper forces on to buy the same mixer grinder which he says to be the best. He even gives the customer 20% discount to attract the customer.
Well sir, you may pack the appliance. I hope it to be good.
Shopkeeper packs up the local appliance with ISI mark which wins the confidence of customer.
Thank you madam, please do visit our shop again.
Margaret returns back home and is excited to put her mixer grinder into use.
Well, I must use the appliance on Deepavali.
After 2 days.
Oh God, help, an electric shock.
Next day she goes down to the Gada Electronics to replace the appliance. She explains up the accident to the shopkeeper. In his mind,
Oh shit, the truth is out to the customer.
Yes sir, please replace the appliance.
shopkeeper denies to accept the fault, but at last, after a lot of arguments and threats, he accepts the fault that he had sold a local product and befooled the customer. Hence, we can see that the rights violated in this case are right to safety, right to make choice, and right to seek redressal. Case 2. Sophia, who was a vegetarian, went to a bakery and brought a chocolate cake. She found that it had a non-vegetarian content. Neither the advertisement nor the packaging of the product displayed that the product had a non-vegetarian content. Next day, Sophia goes to the bakery. Sophia enters.
How can I help you madam?
Well, I need a 2-pound vegetarian cake tomorrow.
Sure ma'am, which type of cake do you want?
Can you please show me some best flavored chocolate cake of your shop?
Of course ma'am, have a look. There's a variety of chocolate cake here. Nowadays flawless chocolate cake is very demanding in our shop.
Well, pack it.
Sophia chooses a flawless chocolate cake and ordered the staff to pack the particular cake, and she pays the amount for it. Next day, cake is delivered.
The cake looked delicious. I must unpack it and lower down my appetite. Oh heaven, what is this? This cake has non-veg content. Nor once did the shopkeeper tell me about it.
Sophia runs back to the bakery shop to claim compensation.
You have cheated me. It's totally your fault. You hadn't informed me that the cake had content of non-veg. Repay me back.
We are very sorry ma'am. I totally agree to my fault. You will be definitely be repaid.
Okay.
Once again we are sorry ma'am.
Hence, from the above story, we can see that right to information has been violated. Case 3. In this case, we will see that Portia had brought a teak wooden furniture and was assured of the quality and was given 2 years of warranty. Let's have a look what happens next. Portia enters into the shop Akshay Decors.
Welcome ma'am, how can I help you?
Sir, I am here in need of teak wood furniture.
Yes ma'am, there are some of the best qualities of wooden furniture costing 4 lakh. You can make a choice over them accordingly. Assure it to be the best quality material.
What about the warranty? If something goes wrong, will it be replaced or will the amount be refunded?
No worries ma'am, for I assure it to be the best quality material. However, if something goes on wrong, you will certainly be refunded. The purchase amount or the furniture will be replaced with the new one with the warranty of 2 years.
That's fine, sir. Thank you.
After 30 days.
Oh my goodness. The table and the dining chair started developing cracks at different places. Also, the polish of the furniture looks very dull. This is quite strange.
Portia goes down to the decor shop to report the matter.
You befooled me, sir. You said it me to be the best quality furniture. Nevertheless, my furniture is needed to be replaced cause it has not been a month and has started developing cracks all over. Also, the furniture loses its luster.
The shopkeeper neither pays attention to the request nor replaces the furniture. Portia requests the shopkeeper number of times.
I must now take an action and hurry to district forum to lodge a complaint against the shopkeeper.
Hence, from the third case, we see that right to be heard and right to seek redressal is clearly being violated.